Hey everyone, got a new AC today. This GFI plug or something, it's an old one. It's a higher 5,200. Here. Yeah, 5,200. We're gonna do the mid date. I don't know when it was manufactured. Model HWF05XC7, 1.7 SEER, single phase, 4.8 amps, 115 volts, 60 hertz, I think, and 5,200 BTUs. Okay. We don't have to what's this, coils? It's a little chilly in here. So we're gonna take the front cover off. Hold on. No, we'll put you up here. We might have a black screen. Get a drill in my attic. Actually, okay, no. Hold on. Move the unit. Move the unit a little bit. This little guy, I might use it sometime. I don't have the brackets for it. Oh, it's getting a little chilly in here. Oh. It's like 50. Where is it up here? It's around, it's like 60 up here. Put that up there. I'm not going to turn it on yet. We just have to, I'm going to unscrew it all. Oh yeah, I still have my GE 5150 BTU, that nasty one. What car is it? Uh-oh, wait, that's screwed out. Oh, it's right there. Okay, this front should come off. Uh-oh. I didn't know it was gonna be a big bang or something. Yeah, we have no compressor. I'll put the front grill down here. Sitting right there. Now, and we'll fire it up on the little fan. But I don't know if we can get the compressor. Alright, let me get a little screw. Yeah, let me take the bracket off. Let me take the bracket off. I'll put the bracket here for now. Bracket's right there. The front cover, the front grill's down there, just sitting there. Temp gun. What is it? It's like 60 up here. Not hearing any click. That's supposed to be like that. Alright, we're gonna start at a low fan. Alright. Alright, we're gonna start it on the low fan. I'll put it about the compressor just in case if it kicks. It kicks on. It's a BTU Precision rotary compressor. Wow, nice and quiet. So it is running. What's it blowing? 62. What's it up here? 60. Oh, without the laser. 63. Oh, I don't know. Compressor's not kicking on. How's the coils with the laser? Oh, how come the compressor ain't working? Wow. Well, that scared me. Hasn't ran for a little. It's hissing. Compressor should be on the other side. I don't know why it's not getting cold. Yeah, it's gonna stop hissing. It takes forever to get them cooling. I don't even know if it's getting cold at all. Takes forever to get cooling. Compressing. Yeah, it's not even chilly back here. What the hell? Does this even I don't know if this even works or something. I don't know why it ain't kicking. Oh, wow, it clicks. Alright, we're gonna wait for the compressor to kick over. We'll put it on fan though. Well, it works, but not even getting cold. But I'm cool or high. Alright, let's see. Hi, BTU Precision Rotary. A little sound of the compressor. Hasn't ran. It probably hasn't ran for a little, so it probably has to get cooling done. What's it getting? Oh, is it even freezing? Oh, okay, it's freezing now. I don't think it's going free on that. That's for sure. Okay. Man, we're getting a little cold. put it in a high and see what we're getting. 57. Not bad. How about in the back? Yeah, it's not chilly at all. Yeah, we ain't getting cold at all. It feels, and it's gotta be colder. Okay, we're getting cold. We're getting there. Yeah, so it does still work. Indeed. What about back here? We got... Yeah. Okay, we're going. We're going. It's not chilly in the back. I believe this has a highly precision or a wretchy precision. I don't know. Those probably compressors aren't manufactured. Let me put it back on the... Stall it. Let me... Yeah, we're in. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay. Without the laser, we're getting not cold. Oh, we're getting a little bit. Is this still on Freon or something? I don't know. Maybe dead or something. I don't know. Look at this pipe. Look at it. Jesus, that's cold. It's friggin' freezing, though. I'm not gonna touch it. Because it may be something dangerous or something. 27. Well, we see what we're getting. Oh, okay. We're getting there. So it does still work. See what we're getting in the back. Oh, okay, we're getting hot. Alright. We'll shut it off. Whoa. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll maybe do a video tomorrow on it too.